Hey there! I can totally feel your excitement as you finally get ready to pack your bags for flying to Canada in the fall 2023 intake. But you know what? It's crucial not to let the excitement get the better of us and end up with a suitcase overflowing with unnecessary stuff. Don't worry, I've got your bag with some essential packing tips to keep you on track, especially for Canada's cold weather. Essential documents like passport and student visa ensure they are valid for the duration of your stay. You must also carry your admission letter and acceptance letter from your Canadian college or university. Next thing, health insurance documents. Make sure you have comprehensive coverage for your time in Canada. And lastly, academic transcripts and other important certificates. Weather appropriate clothing. Canada experiences diverse weather conditions. Pack clothes suitable for all seasons, including warm winter wear, waterproof clothing, and lighting summer attire. Bring a good pair of walking shoes and invest in good quality puffer jackets for the colder months. Electronics. Power adapters and converters to ensure your electronic devices work with Canadian outlets. Carry your laptop, tablet, or other personal devices that you may need for your study. Toiletries and personal care items. Although you can buy these items in Canada, having a small supply to start with will be helpful until you settle in. Bedding and linens. Check with your accommodation to see if they provide bedding and towels. If not, consider bringing a set of sheets, a pillow, and a towel. Kitchen essentials. If you plan to cook your meals, consider packing some basic kitchen utensils and cooking essentials. Money matters. Canadian currency in small denominations for immediate expenses upon arrival. International credit or debit cards or a Canadian bank account if you have already set one up. The most convenient way out is getting a forex card made beforehand. Medications and prescriptions. If you have any essential medications, bring a sufficient supply for the entire duration of your stay, along with the prescriptions from your doctor. Important contacts. Make sure to have emergency contact numbers for your family, friends, and your country's embassy in Canada. And lastly, bring familiar items, some mementos or items from home that are significant to you. They can help you feel more comfortable in new surroundings. With this, we come to an end. Hope these tips come in handy and you make the most of your time in Canada. If you're just starting out and are considering Canada for the upcoming intake, then watch our video Canada January 24 intake. The link in this description for everything studying abroad. Subscribe to Leverage Edu. Thanks for watching.